Bathurst Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles. Copenhagen, Aransas, and Redface Bays, Corpus Christi and New EAS Bays, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles south of Seadrift to near Rockport to 16 nautical miles northwest of Portland, moving southwest at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations impacted include Flower Bluff, Packery Channel, Portland, Corpus Christi North Beach, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, Port Aransas, Ingleside on the Bay, Rockport and downtown Corpus Christi. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Coastal waters from Bathurst Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles. Copenhagen, Aransas, and Redface Bays, Corpus Christi and New EAS Bays. Waters from Bathurst Bay to Port Aransas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, outflow from showers were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles southwest of downtown Corpus Christi to 9 nautical miles east of Packery Channel to 26 nautical miles east of Port Aransas, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Flower Bluff, Packery Channel, Portland, Corpus Christi North Beach, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, Port Aransas, Ingleside on the Bay, downtown Corpus Christi and Malachoi Beach. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves.
Wind gusts of 47 miles per hour with this storm. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, buoy. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Upper San Jacinto Bay, Blackout Bay, Galveston Bay, Gabbs Bay, Eagle Point, Mitchell Bay, and Scott Bay. This warning also includes the following channel lights: Houston Ship Channel Light 45, Baytown Marina Channel Light 17, Houston Ship Channel Light 55, Bayport Ship Channel Light 5, Dickinson Bailiff Channel Buoy 17, Houston Ship Channel Light 88, Houston Ship Channel Light 99, Houston Ship Channel Light 93, 5 Mile Buoy 2 and Houston Ship Channel Light 107. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location. Coastal waters from severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Galveston County. County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Backcliff or over Kemah, moving southwest at around 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include League City, Texas City, Friendswood, Dickinson, Lamarck, Santa Fe, Seabrook, Webster, Hitchcock, Kemah, Southeastern Clear Lake, Nassau Bay, Taylor Lake Village, El Lago, Clear Lake Shores, San Leon, Backcliff, Kemah Boardwalk, and the Johnson Space Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is your NOAA weather radio.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yes. Yeah. Observation and the observation question. And I really would like your opinion on this. One thing that's observation. Like one observation. I feel fine that the Democrats elected
people can access
they can control those five justices and get them to do what they want.
To answer your question, I'll be halfway.
The storm.
The reason the first draft was
Organized.
anger and even violence. So people are rising up against this decision. So whoever did this, what they did was a betrayal. Number two, in terms of the Democrat Party, the Democrat Party is tied inextricably now to infanticide. They always like to say, well, you conservatives and you Republicans, you don't want to help the babies after the war, which of course is a lie, but now we can explain. They want to brainwash with critical race theory and sexuality and on and on and on. They do not care about kids. They care about the teachers' unions. They care about the abortion industry and Planned Parenthood. They care about getting their base all fired up, as you point out. So I'll meet you halfway.
Yeah, but I think it's bigger than, and part of me, I respect what you said, I just think it's bigger than that. I think it's, the objective is this deconstruction of the fabric of society.
No, I agree with that. But as for organizing the decision, that's an impossibility.
News Radio 740 KTRH is activating the Houston area emergency alert system. Stay tuned for important information. This station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system at the request of the National Weather Service in League City, which has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris County.
beginning at 9:40 p.m. and ending at 10:25 p.m. Again, the station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris County. That strong thunderstorm will impact portions of Galveston, Brazoria, and Harris counties through 10:15 p.m. tonight. At 9:32, Doppler radar had tracked a strong thunderstorm near Kemah, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Again, the severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Harris County, beginning at 9:40, ending at 10:25 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. .740 KTRH is your official severe weather station.
That's relief, all that stress.
January 6th hearings, new information is revealed and a more complete story emerges. I'm Ernie Manous from Town Square, where we will continue to analyze, add context, and hear your thoughts on the proceedings.
Support comes from L'Alliance Française, standing with Houston and offering online French classes taught by native speakers from beginner level to advanced for adults and children. Next session begins soon. Info at 713-526-1121.
And support also comes from Blake Hilligeist Real
It will be
Estate,
get about
commercial
one
and
more
residential
chance.
real estate broker with over 28 years experience. Visit our website, Houston Public Media.
Think seriously about abstaining from all alcohol during that time frame.
9 points road.
Go.
Mobile devices. Just go to
7. For us. The day-to-day. I've been a drill.
So what can we do for you?
Play. It's back.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in Leak City, which has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris County beginning at 9:40 p.m. and ending at 10:25 p.m. Again, the station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris County. The strong thunderstorm will impact portions of Galveston, Brazoria, and Harris counties through 10:15 p.m. tonight. At 9:32, Doppler radar had tracked a strong thunderstorm near Kemah, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Again, the severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Harris County, beginning at 9:40 and at 10:25 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
That's the problem. Fuck went even.
Near Kemah, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Again, the severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Harris County, beginning at 9:40 and 10:25 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
The violence.
But I'm also a Cuban exiles and others to
Streaming live. I can feel your energy. Sometimes
a celebrity.
your art.
I want Yes, he knows inside right. Surprisingly, perhaps. I'm deep with Oh, God, that this is what. Well, let me. Oh. Online, and tens of thousands of people did. Pad on the top of the ship.
Like me.
Pretty measured and academic, but let's be real. You kick butt, yes? Yep. That's fair enough.
This continues being able to function, and you actually imagine the alternative of Ukraine not being able to continue fighting the war, effectively becoming a second Belarus, a country from which Russia can intimidate others and launch attacks potentially on others. And moreover, if Russia takes over the resources that are in Ukraine, all of the issues that we're having now would be exacerbated. So we're facing a food crisis now with Russia just blockading Ukrainian grain. Should Russia actually take over all that capacity, grain, energy, everything else in Ukraine, that blackmail potential will just be greater.
And it's obviously emphatic from the economists for Ukraine. We appreciate your time and your insights. It's good to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, now for a story of one man's unimaginable loss in his demand for justice.